Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset an Ihome alarm clock. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do when you're ready to reset your Ihome alarm clock is take a look if there is a reset button. So take a look for a reset button. And you want to look for not specifically a button, but more of an opening. So you want to look at the back of the Ihome alarm clock, and on some options, on some clocks, there will be a little opening where you can sort of stick like a little toothpick in there and press on a sort of depressed button over there, a button that's sort of recessed into the plastic, and that will reset it. But on this one, there's no reset button, none that I could see, at least when I was trying to plan out this video. So it's very, very simple what you have to do. The first step is to unplug the Ihome alarm clock. So just unplug it. And the thing is, on most Ihome alarm clocks, there's going to be backup batteries. And those are going to protect you from resetting the clock. Let's say if there's a power outage or something like that, from the clock resetting. So what you're going to want to do is remove the backup batteries with the clock unplugged. So I'm just going to remove the batteries with the clock unplugged. Okay, and essentially once you've removed the batteries, you want to hold them out of the clock for about 30 seconds. And what that's going to do is, in those 30 seconds, it's going to allow the electricity and the power to discharge from the clock, which therefore will reset the alarm clock. Okay, and then once 30 seconds have gone by, you can put those batteries back in. Okay, I'm going to put the cover back in place as well, just like that, and then you can plug it back in. All right, and you will have reset your Ihome alarm clock. As you can see, 12 o'clock flashing, just like a standard, as if the power just went out kind of thing. Yeah, and that's basically it. That is how to reset an Ihome alarm clock. A super easy tutorial with some step-by-step instructions. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.